In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube content calendar project board. A well-organized content calendar makes it much easier to manage your video workflow from the first idea all the way to publishing. Instead of keeping everything in different places, you'll have one clear board that shows exactly what stage each video is in and what needs to happen next. To begin, create a new project board and name it YouTube Content Calendar. Choosing a clear, specific name is important because it helps you instantly recognize the purpose of the board, especially if you manage multiple projects. This board will become your central hub for planning and tracking your video production process. Once the board is created, set up the columns you'll use to represent each stage of your workflow. Add columns called Ideas, Scripting, Filming, Editing, and Published. These columns create a simple visual path for every video. The Ideas column is where future concepts live before they are fully planned. Scripting is for videos that are being outlined or written. Filming is for content that is ready to be recorded or is currently in production. Editing holds videos that are being polished and finalized. Published is where completed videos go once they are live. Keeping these stages consistent will help you quickly understand the status of every piece of content at a glance. Next, create a new task card for every video idea you want to track. Each card should represent one video only, which keeps things clean and easy to manage. As you add each task card, assign due dates for each phase of the process. This is a helpful way to stay on schedule and avoid bottlenecks. For example, you can plan when the script should be finished, when filming should happen, and when editing should be completed. Adding these dates early gives you a timeline to follow and makes your publishing routine more predictable. Finally, attach all relevant materials directly inside each task card. This includes your script drafts, thumbnail mockups, and any assets related to that specific video. Keeping everything attached to the card saves time because you won't need to search through folders, chats, or separate documents later. It also makes collaboration smoother if other people are involved in your workflow, since everyone can find what they need in one place. Once your board is set up this way, you'll have a practical system for planning, producing, and tracking your YouTube content with much more clarity and consistency.